In this video, I will show you how to make and share a digital slide workshop. Here I've constructed in a Google document, but you could easily use a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or type this directly into your email program. I've made a template here with the number of cases, case 1, case 2, etc., with the word slide that I'm going to hyperlink to the slide, and then the words discussion and diagnosis, which will also be hyperlinked. First I go to the RCPAE cases, and I've opened up this case, number 17, that I want to share the slide of. So I'm just in the thumbnail view, and I'm using Internet Explorer. I right mouse click, which brings up this menu, and I want to left mouse click copy link. Alternatively, you may be using Chrome as your browser, in which case when you hover and right mouse click, you need to copy link address. And then back in your document, I'm going to select the word slide, right mouse click, and then link, and I'm going to paste the copied link to the slide, and there we have the slide linked to the word. So if I click that to test it, look up here, it opens in a separate window the Sectra slide, bypassing the RCPA case and goes straight to the slide. Now I want to link the diagnosis and discussion so I don't have to write anything. I go back to the RCPA case itself, which has, when we scroll down, all of the case details, including the morphologic description, the diagnosis, etc. Now, in order to share this information, I'm going to copy the URL of the e-case itself, Control C, go back to my document, and now I'm going to just select those words, right mouse click, link, paste the link, Control V, and apply. Okay, so let's test that. If I hover the mouse here and then click on the link, I go straight to the RCPA website to case number 17, where I can read all about it. Then I would repeat the process, of course, with all of the other cases that I had pre-selected from the e-cases on the RCPA website. Now, before I share this worksheet, which has both the slide and the answer, I need to make a worksheet with just the slide. Simple enough to do. I'm just going to copy and save as test set without answers. Without answers. And then I can just modify this by either deleting the words diagnosis and discussion, or I can simply break the link by clicking this icon here. So this test set without answers is ready to be sent out to my study or learner group. Now I want to share this document with others. So I click the share button, and I want to get a shareable link. Here it is, and I want to make sure that I select anyone with the link can edit, and I'm going to copy the link. It's already copied here, and then I'm going to paste it into an email. You can see I've opened up my email account, and I'm just going to Control V, paste in the link to that Google document, but you could also put in a link or attachment of a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or you can just create the whole slide set directly in the email body text, and then I can send that to my learners. One advantage with a Google Doc is that both me and the study buddy who I sent it to can write on the same document for example, proffered diagnoses, and we can both see it at the same time.